I'm here in the Yajnistan, like they are organizing the period day. As period day hai, so it's a awareness session for the people, and we're gonna have open mic, so many things. And this is so beautifully decorated, so beautiful. In the period day, this period party, this beautiful decoration, love it, so cute. And we have here friends, my friends. Say hi.
Hello.
Would you guys like to say something about periods?
I,
What do you know about it?
I know I can't say how it feels, but I can definitely say it's a thing that I have seen my mother, my sister, and my close friends going through, and this is a thing that we should be aware of, and we should try to be appreciative, how and supportive to the people who are going through the journey, and do our best to make them feel ease.
Thank you. Okay, no words to say. No words to say.
What's to say? We should make it we should discuss it.
Yeah, more awareness. It should be more, because in schools and colleges,
should be
not colleges. I think in school people are not aware, especially boys. Cards also about the periods. No blood is impure. Shatter the silent celebration menstruation. And we got this beautiful bracelet.
And what are these?
And they have the meaning human bleeds for 5 days. So beautiful. I also got just how cutely they made the tampons or pad So we had the event in Namakanava, first event about Overthink LA, and now we are here in Yangistan. It's an awareness session. Now today is the period day actually. That's why they are giving this awareness session to everyone, These are my people. Bharadwaj, Bharat.
You also have to participate.
I am volunteering with them actually in Hunger Heroes.
But we would be more happy if you take some placards, click some.
Celebrating World Menstruation.
Hi, I'm Manish.
Hi Manish. So, what do you know about period? Would you like to say something
Yeah, so
about this day or something? What do you know?
regarding menstrual hygiene day, we are looking forward to the same from moment where we have initiated a startup, because we feel this day gives us an opportunity to bring every stakeholder who are involved in this ecosystem together to talk on such a topic which is associated with a lot of stigma and taboo. So we feel this as a very great opportunity to interact with people and increase the awareness about pressing issues associated with menstrual hygiene and menstrual waste.
You yourself know, right, what is period, and
Yes, yes,
girls have to go through every month,
yes.
7 days.
Yes.
Okay.
So regarding that, one thing that I believe is periods is something that is to be considered as healthily bodily function.
Yeah.
But it shouldn't be looked as some or other kind of unhygienic or
Yeah, impure, yeah.
kind of thing,
Yeah, yeah.
impure kind of thing. So
Yeah.
I think if that thought can go into people very strongly, then it can definitely help in increasing more and more awareness, and people will start accepting it, that it is again just as a normal bodily function, nothing different.
Yeah, exactly. I think there should be awareness session in schools basically, because
Yes.
boys are not aware of it, and even the girls, because some girls get a period in a very early age and they'll get afraid of it. So I think and this event, whatever they host, this event is, what is it? Menstruation
So
World Day. Sorry, I forgot.
It is to celebrate the
World
hygiene.
Menstruation Hygiene Day. Today is the World Menstruation Hygiene Day. It's a awareness session kind of stuff.
So we are basically having a period party here, where
Oh, okay.
different people are coming.
Yeah, I can see all are wearing red colors.
Red color, that is the
We
code
didn't,
for
we,
today.
we, we didn't know that actually. We would have wear red if we know that. Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
He's a founder. Youngest at home.
Anyone want to answer this question? According to you, in your perception, what is period poverty? Okay, no accessibility of basic like sanitary products. That's right. Any more answers? Okay. 2. Yeah, 3.
तो मुझे लगता है कि अब इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें ना, एक तो लोगों को अवेयरनेस नहीं, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. पीपल आर नॉट रियली, लोगों को समझ नहीं है कि इसके पीछे कितनी सारी चीजें हैं, और आज की जो प्रैक्टिसेस चल रही हैं, जो भी उसके बारे में लोगों की मान्यता है, वो कितनी गलत है, क्योंकि हमने कभी उसके बारे में ढंग से कभी पढ़ने की कोशिश नहीं करी, कभी जानने.
This is story of a girl, my friend, my love, Sri. When I say Sri, you all say Sri. Sri.
Street. Street.
Sri. 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 Because the judgment is over Sri. Because the జీవించేది ఒక స్త్రీ. Because the వెన్నెలచి ఒక స్త్రీ. ఒక స్త్రీ. समाज मुस्लिम से बिछड़ी नमस्ते तेरे वक्त गुरु से करना पाती वो बात, खुद की जान ले 14 साल की नादान. क्या ही बोलूं बहनों, ये सब नेचर का एहसास, इस नेचर के खून से बनता नया संसार. मेंस्ट्रुएशन, मेंस्ट्रुएशन, इस नेचर के खून से बनता नया संसार. मेंस्ट्रुएशन, ये भी तो है लाइफ, इससे क्या है जीना, आ जाता हर महीना. दिखावा तो नहीं.
हमेशा करना है. 99.9% जेम्स मर जाएंगे मेरे हेड बैग से. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता. And what is this out of doors? ये आउट ऑफ ऑफिस पॉलिसी है क्या? ये आउट ऑफ डोर्स तो मैं आउट ऑफ ऑफिस के लिए यूज भी नहीं कर सकती ऑफिस में. ऐसा हो गया. And I told her, मम्मा, chill करो. I will use the word